Hi everyone, it's time to do the drawing for the card, one of the card kits, and this is like, it's my first time every time, I don't know why. Okay, enter my little thing here. Okay, there it is. Okay, and now get my comments. Okay, and there's only 7. Okay. Okay, the odds are really super good. A lot better than the lottery. Okay, and the winner is Michelle. I'm gonna say your name and hopefully I don't mess it up. Ferlin? I think that's right. Okay. I know you're on Love RTS, so you can just message me through Instant Messenger, and I will look to see what color you want, or you can just remind me again and send me your address. Thanks for playing, everybody. Bye-bye.